Hello students, so now today we will continue self practice 4D. So in the previous classes we have done all the exercises of self practice 4 A, B, C and D. Now today we will do the mental math of self practice 4D. Mental math self practice 4D. Mental math self practice 4D. Okay. So see, the first question is write in exponential form. The first question of the mental math is the write in exponential form. Write in exponential form. Write in exponential form. The first question is write in exponential form. Now the question is 1a 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. See how many times are there in the question? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is multiplied by itself 5 times. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you see, this 4 is multiplied by itself 5 times. And we have to write this in the exponential form. Means that there should be some base and index. Exponential form means a to the power n in the form of a to the power m. In the form of a to the power n, where a is the base and m is the index. So we have to write this in the exponential form. How you will write? Here the base is the number which is multiplied by itself. So here the base will take the same number 4. 4 is the base because this 4 is multiplied by itself 5 times. So 4 is the base. Now how many times this 4 is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the exponential form of this expression will be 4 to the power 5. What you write? 4 to the power 5. This is the exponential form. Second question, 1b. 1b. Minus 1 by 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Minus 1 by 3. Multiply minus 1 by 3. Multiply minus 1 by 3. Multiply minus 1 by 3. Now see how you write. Here also the base is minus 3. As you see, minus 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So what we take? The base will be minus 1 by 3. So write the base minus 1 by 3. Since the base is negative, so you put in the bracket. Now how many times this base is multiplied by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this base is multiplied by itself 4 times. Minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. See on the whiteboard. So after pausing the video, you can note it down. First listen it. So how many times? The index will be 4 here. The index will be here 4. Minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. Because this minus 1 by 3 is itself multiplied 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now second question, question number 2. Write in exponential form. Second question. Write in expanded form. In the exponential it is written write in expanded form. Question number 2 is write in. So this is the expanded form. The left hand side you see here. This is the expanded form and the right hand side is the exponential form. This is exponential form and this is the expanded form. So write in expanded form. It's the reverse operation we do. Write in expanded form. 2a 8 to the power 3. First question is 8 to the power 3. Now see in this question, the base is 8, and the index is 3. This means how we write in the expanded form? Multiply the base by itself 3 times. So take the base here 8. So 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. See, we have multiplied the base 8 itself 3 times, 1 to 3. So the index says that you have to multiply the base to the index number of times. So whatever the index is there 3, so 3 times you have to multiply the base. Next question is 2b. minus 5 by 9 to the power 2, minus 5 by 9 to the power 2. In this question, the base is minus 5 by 9 and the index is 2. So you have to multiply this base by itself 2 times. Multiply the base minus 5 by 9 by itself 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Okay. See how we write. Minus 5 by 9 multiply minus 5 by 9. This is the expanded form. This is the exponential form and the right hand side is the expanded form. Exponential form, this is the expanded form. Okay. So now we move to the next question. Question number 3 is evaluate. Question number 3 is evaluate. Question number 3, evaluate. Question number 3, evaluate. So third A, see the first question, third A. 2 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 2. We have to find the value of this exponential form. We have to find the value of this exponential form. Means the given exponential form you write in the expanded form, and after that you multiply, you will get the value. We write this exponential form into the expanded form, and after that we multiply and get the result. See, 2 to the power 3 means multiply 2 itself 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. After that 5 to the power 2. So the expanded form of the 5 to the power 2 means multiply 5 itself 2 times. That is 5 multiply 5. Now you multiply the result. See here what you get, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40 and 45 the 200. Like this we multiply. You see what we are going to get the result, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 5 the 40. And 40 into 5 is the current, 40 into 5. So see, 40 multiply 5, that is 200. So the result of this exponential form is 200. So when you multiply all these factors, you will get the result 200. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40 and 40 multiply 5, 200. 45 the 200. Next is B. 5 into 2 to the power 5 into 2 whole to the power 3. B is 5 into 2 whole to the power 3. This means what? This you can do in the two ways. One is multiply inside. First you solve the bracket, because bracket parenthesis has the highest priority. So in the arithmetic Bortko's rule, first you solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, two numbers are multiplied, 5 into 2. So first we multiply these two numbers, 5 to the 10. Inside the bracket write 10 and to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3 means what? The base is 10, you have to multiply this 10 itself 3 times. So multiply 10 itself 3 times, 10 multiply 10, multiply 10. So what result this will give you? See, 10 times a 100, 100 times a 1000. 10 times a 100, 100 times a 1000. So the result will be 1000. The value of 10 to the power 3 is 1000. Next question number 4. Multiply leaving each answer in the exponential form. So here, fourth A, multiply leaving each answer in exponential form. See the fourth A, first question, fourth A. So here we have to multiply leaving each answer in exponential form. In this question we don't have to find this value. We have to find the value in the exponential form only. In this question, multiply leaving each answer in exponential form. We are not going to find the value of the exponents. We just only find the answer in the exponent form. So here we will use the product law of the exponent, quotient law of exponent, and the power law of the exponent, which we have studied. Okay. So first question is see. First question, 4 to the power 2 multiply 4 to the power 8 multiply 4 to the power 5. This is the question A. So 4 to the power 2 multiply 4 to the power 8 multiply 4 to the power 5. Now see, the product law says that if the base is same and they are multiplied with each other, so take the base common and add all the powers. That is the product law. Product law is what? What is the product law? The product law is a to the power n into a to the power n. This means base are same. In both the case the base is a. In both the case base is a. So take the base common a and add the power m plus n. Add the power m plus n. This is the rule. That is the product rule of the exponent. Okay. So here we are going to take the base. What is base here in this question? 4 to the power 2, 4 to the power 8, 4 to the power 5. The base is 4. In all, there is 3 exponent, 1, 2, 3. Now each exponent having the same base 4. So we are going to take the base common 4, and after that we add the powers of the each exponent. 2 plus 8 plus 5. 2 plus 8 plus 5. So what you get the result? 4 to the power 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 5 15. The answer will be 4 to the power 15. So we have to leave the answer in this form, exponential form. Now after that we are not going to find its answer, its value. We have to leave this answer in the exponential form. The question is saying multiplying, leaving each answer in exponential form. Means leave the answer in the exponential form. Don't find its value. Okay. So we are going to solve the next question B. In question number B, minus 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 to the power 2 multiply minus 5 by 8 to the power 7 multiply minus 5 by 8. In this question also there is 3 exponent. See, minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 8 to the power 2, 2 is the index, minus 5 by 8 to the power 7, 7 is the index, minus 5 by 8 to the power nothing means 1. Here no power is mentioned. This means there is power 1. So, we can write also, if not given power, so you can add it. So here if no power is mentioned, so what you write? 1. Now take the base common. After that we are going to take the base common. Now base is minus 5 by 8. Base is minus 5 by 8. Now add all the power. 2 plus 7, 7 plus 1. These are the 3 powers of these 3 exponents. So 2 plus 7 plus 1. Power is 2 plus 7 plus 1. So what you get the value? Minus 5 by 8 to the power 2 plus 7, 9 plus 1, 10. That is answer is minus 5 by 8 to the power 10. Okay, minus 5 by 8 to the power 10. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we will do the remaining question of the mental math of self practice 4D. The remaining question 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will do in the next class. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.